This is question 6 in exercise 18.4 in Project Maths 2. We have to complete the following table, which gives certain information about various spheres. So in this particular one, we're given pi, and the value for pi we're to use is pi, and the radius is 6 millimeters, and we're asked for the volume and the curved surface area. We can see in our diagram to the right, a sphere is just a ball. That's all it is, perfectly round ball. Our radius is the distance from the dead center of that ball out to the edge. Now the two formulas that we're looking for we've got here are volume, and the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, 4/3 pi r cubed, and the curved surface area, which is a measure of the area of the surface on the outside of it. The formula for that is 4 pi r squared, 4 pi r squared, like that. Now in this particular example, the book has asked that we use pi for the value for pi. What they mean by that is that when you're doing this in your calculator, you are to use the pi button on your calculator to get a value for this. You are not to use an approximation like 22 or 7 or 3.14. You can round at the end, and we will round to 3 decimal places because it just gets inconvenient to list too many of them. But you are to use the pi button on your calculator in order to get the value out for this. So for a volume in this case, it's going to be 4/3 times pi times r cubed, which is 6 cubed. And if we stick that into our calculator and then round it to 3 decimal places, we get 904.779, and this time it's millimeters, so it's going to be millimeters cubed, like that. And then as for our curved surface area, it's going to be 4 times pi times 6 squared. And again, we can go straight to our calculator for this. And if we do that and then round it to 3 decimal places, we're going to get 452.389. And this time our units are going to be millimeters squared, like that. And that is that.